Despite the Western sanctions that limit their supply of microchips and parts for semiconductors, Russia seems capable of maintaining, and possibly even increasing, the production of their advanced Su-35 fighter jets. Evidence for this comes from comprehensive, ongoing satellite surveillance of a factory in Komsomolsk-on-Amur in Russia's Far East. The meticulous examination of the satellite photos, taken from the Su-35 factory in Komsomolsk-on-Amur, was conducted by Space No, a highly reputable Czech tech company. They utilized their unique iMint application, which leverages artificial intelligence to analyze occurrences over large expanses of land anywhere in the world, using raw satellite data. Space No's specialized algorithm, which automatically detects and identifies aircraft, was utilized to scrutinize a series of high-quality images provided by SkySat satellites from Planet Labs, spanning from April 2020 to October 2023. The results were quite riveting. In 2020, we generally observed 2 planes at the Su-35 factory. The capacity for plane storage significantly increased in 2021, accommodating 11 to 16 planes at any given time. Following Russia's invasion of Ukraine in February 2022, our system detected a surge in Su-35 plane production. By April of that year, the count had risen to 19 planes. Remarkably, by October, this number had soared to 30 fighter planes, all conveniently aligned next to the assembly buildings. This trend continued in 2023, as satellite images revealed 31 Su-35 planes at the factory in September. The most recent photograph, taken in October 2023, displays 29 planes, all primed and ready to soar into the blue yonder. This viewpoint aligns closely with a comprehensive study by the American Center for European Policy Analysis, CEPA. The study suggests that Russia has been consistently producing approximately 30 to 35 new Su-35 type planes in recent months. Further calculations imply that Russia now possesses roughly 114 Su-35, at least theoretically. Leading experts believe that the production of top-level fighter aircraft, like the Su-35, involves large amounts of these chips. These chips are fundamental to the core operations of the aircraft. They control everything from the radar and flight control systems to communication and navigation. They also manage image processing, guidance, data links, display systems, and other vital cockpit functions. Reviewing Russian customs data reveals that in 2023, Moscow received US and EU-made chips. These goods were reshipped through intermediary countries such as Turkey, Kazakhstan, and the United Arab Emirates. These nations are not subject to the same sanctions.